Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Daniel. Welcome back to another video, and welcome to another holiday video. And guess what, guys? I got some news. Before I say this, two things I want to say. One, Merry Christmas to everyone, to all of you, my wonderful fans. And two, I got some news. But first, let's play a little bit of music, shall we? There we go. So, guys, I have some news, and it's really good news. First off, I want to thank everyone that's been supporting my channel since November, and I have a lot of subscribers. You know how many? Well, let me tell you. Here's my YouTube channel. Here's everyone else. And here we go. Look! 100 subscribers. Oh yeah, look at me. 100 subscribers. Oh yeah, that's how awesome I am. Look at me. Oh yeah, look at me. I made it to 100 subscribers. I can't believe I did. All the way from November to December. Look at that. Move. Yeah. Oh man. I can't believe it, guys. I can't believe I made it to 100 subscribers. And thank you everybody so much for this. I want to thank everyone that's been, supporting me and the other YouTubers I talked about. Thank you everybody so much that's been supporting my YouTube channel for quite a while. I never thought I made it to 100 subscribers, and I did. And thanks to everyone, I'm gonna do this. And like I promised, guys, it's Christmas, so I thought maybe I could, do some reacting to Christmas videos. But, so yeah, guys. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. I do know what I want to say, though. I still want to thank everyone again for getting me to 100 subscribers. And in honor of this 100 subscriber special, I'm going to make it the Christmas edition. And for that, we are going to be reacting to a few Christmas videos from these other YouTubers. And I want to start with my man, or my boy, the hottest dog, right here. My man himself. And this is going to be a special one because big shout out to the hottest dog. He's awesome. And one last thing I want to say, guys, he's going to be releasing the Special Strike, which I think will be coming out, I think, in January. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see, playlist. Alright, you guys ready for this? Ah, stupid ads. Alright, here we go. What is with these ads? There we go. Alright, everyone. By the way, these videos do not belong to me. They belong to the hottest dog. And I'll provide a link to his YouTube channel down in the description. And, yeah, let's react. Hit it. Is it? Wait. Hold on. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. It's no big deal. I thought something happened. But, let's try that again, shall we? Let's try that again. But this time I'm going to turn up the volume all the way up. Should be good. Poor Chica. Oh, you dare not, more Foxy. I guess so, Springtrap. Michael Rosen, Michael Rosen. True, he's Michael Rosen. Oh well, he deserved that. Wait, what? What the heck? What? What? Oh, hi, Ballora.
Hey,
you serious?
Let's try to keep this special kid friendly. Kids are watching this. just show something else.
If you say so, Bonnie.
The Bible.
Oh, cool.
This is the Bible. You question the word!
Ow! God, hurt my ears.
Kiss me.
No, I'm not gay.
You have some.
Oh! Oh yeah? My favorite jam. Why? The hottest dog?
Hey, where's Fredbear? I swear I saw him earlier.
Sorry about that loud noise, everyone. I wasn't expecting that. Uh-oh, I feel like this was gonna be loud.
Hey Google, Yacht Rock? That's what that is.
Oh man, that was awesome. Well, guys, that was it. That was you know, the Christmas video of the SFM FNAF video by the hottest dog, the Christmas special. But if you want, I could show you the light Turnet ending. If you guys want to see that. Yeah, why not? Let's see it. Springtrap. Oops, locked in. Wait, is that Golden Freddy? What the heck? They did. Uh-oh. That was awesome. Well, guys, I think that's the end of my reaction to me reacting to the hottest dog, you know? Yeah, that is the end of me reacting to the hottest dog's Christmas video, the Christmas special. I don't know what else to do next. Oh yeah, I think I know what to do next. Yeah, I want to hear this. There's this Christmas video. There's this Christmas song which I think you guys might like. There's 2 more Christmas videos I want to react to actually, that were made by him. My cam. So this one. Not I don't know about this one. It's not Thanksgiving anymore. It's right here. Here it is. This is another SFM video made by him called Merry FNAF Christmas by GT Music. I'll write a link to their YouTube channel down in the description too. Hit it! Stay! Nope. I don't want a suit. That's a lie. Game over. I don't want pizza. I mean, I do. But true. Ooh. Creepy. Oh man, consequences? No way. Awesome. Here we go. Whoa. That was awesome. There's everyone. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays. You too, Hottest Dog. Merry Christmas, everyone. Yeah, that was awesome. What? Wait. Oh, ending! Oh, you know what that means? The special strike!
It's time for my army to attack in January or early February.
I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. It's just me. Brother, stop it.
Fine. You're no fun.
Whatever. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna end this here for now. But this is in honor of me making it to 100 subscribers. I never thought I would, and it's all thanks to you guys. 101 of you, you know? Thanks again, everyone, for supporting my channel for a long time. I'm gonna make a Christmas video tomorrow for Christmas. Merry Christmas Eve, and I hope to see y'all next time. So, yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below if this video was awesome, and then kick that like button right in the face, like that. Please subscribe to my channel too, and as always, I will see you guys next time in the next video. Goodbye, everybody. And also, one more thing. Hit it.